Cecilia Leming, and this is my introductory video for EDSE 621. Like I said, my name is Cecilia Leming. It is fine to refer to me as Cecilia, or I go by a nickname Cissy sometimes. Not too picky. I am from Pennsylvania, but I now live and have lived for many years in Virginia. We live in the Northern Neck, which is very rural, but it is gorgeous. Lots of nature, woods, rivers. 3 things that I know or love or like about ABA. Number 1, I like the science-based aspect of ABA. You can observe or study the environment and come up with a plan to help a student or a client. I like that science-based part of it. Number 2, kind of going along with that, I like that ABA is data-driven. You collect the data, you analyze the data, you can then either change your plan or continue on. Number 3, there's very little guesswork. Although a student may have trauma in their background, we can still help them to find some successes using ABA. And there's an idea from Skinner that says your feelings don't affect your behavior affects your feelings, and maybe we can kind of get a positive trajectory going with some of these kids with ABA. Things I want to know more about, there's 2 that I wrote down. How does one establish the reinforcers that are strong and consistently will increase behavior for each student or client? Number 2, how does one determine the most appropriate and efficient schedule, as well as when to begin thinning the schedule? I feel like I've got a pretty good base, but I'm concerned about those details. An interesting fact about me is that I've been teaching for 23 years, and I've just recently returned to special ed, teaching special ed after 15 years of really focusing on language arts and reading. And I started off doing special ed. Here I am, back again. So that's just a little bit about me. I look forward to working with all of you and learning alongside all of you and with you as well. So have a great night. Thank you.